Well, thanks for stopping by to learn the law skills again. I'm Steve. I'm going to show you one of my favorite breakfasts camping out using a duck egg. We just covered duck eggs in another video. So let's make some poblanos stuffed with duck eggs and a few other things. Now the first thing we're going to do, get these puppies on the grill. I want to char those black. It'll take about 10-15 minutes. I'll flip them. We'll come back when they're ready. Okay, once you got these guys charred up pretty good all the way around, you need to get them off and get them into a bag. Any kind of bag will do. We need to sweat these skins a little bit, and all that black will peel right off. Whatever doesn't, that's extra flavor. So let's give these about 5 minutes and I'll be back again. We'll make this up. Well, let's get right into it. You want to be real gentle with peppers, because no holes, because we're going to be making that into basically like a boat. Taking that black off is pretty easy. Just drape it off gently. Let me get this cleaned up. We'll be right back and we'll prepare this boat. You're gonna love it. Okay, now find a good spot to slice into. And I don't slice quite to the end, but I want to get all these seeds out of here. Okay, once you get all those seeds out, you need a little tin foil, because you've got to kind of make that a little bit of a boat. Okay, to make this boat, let's start the party off. We're going to add a little provolone. And of course cheese ain't gonna fit, so we're gonna tear the Swiss. That's gonna be melted down in there and just super delicious. You won't believe it till you try it. A little bit of sausage. Put her down in there. Now here's where we need to roll up the boat. Got to be able to contain that egg in there. I'm just pulling the end up. Try to do this where you can see a little better. We're going to drop that duck egg right on top. Of course, we ain't done yet. That'd be too simple. Everything's better with a little cheddar. On a campfire, I'll roll this up completely and close it. On my grill, I'm just going to cook it like that. So let me get this guy on, we'll get the other ones made. It's going to cook for good hot grill, 10-15 minutes. You can just check on the yolk. Okay folks, I hope you're liking this so far. Now, you absolutely can use chicken eggs. I just prefer duck eggs. They're just better for you all around. Cheese, take your choice. I like to use at least 3, maybe 4 different cheeses. You know, just everything tastes a little bit better that way. So, while I put this on some fine camping dinnerware, you got a moment to hit like and subscribe, I'd really appreciate that. We get a lot more coming. Yeah, it's hot. Well, there you have it. Let's take a closer look. That yolk is just perfect. Still nice and runny, lots of it. Cheese looks great. Turn this in and go in for a bite. Gotta get a little bit of all of it. Man, you're gonna love that. Easy to make. I mean, how simple was that? If I can do it, you sure can. So, try this. You know, try it at home. You can do it in your oven if you want. Do it over a campfire. Either way. Give these things a try. Look to see you on down the road. We're signing off, and I'll see you later.